All right, the moment we've been waiting for is finally here. The Pixel Fold, as you can see in all its glory, the Pixel Fold is finally here. I'm super excited. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging here. Pixel Fold, an image of the phone itself, the Pixel Fold itself, Google logo right there on the top. It's all G, baby. It's all G, baby. Google, nothing on the bottom. On the back, boom, Team Pixel. Now I already pulled the pull tabs because I unboxed it and didn't record it, so bear with me. I am super disappointed. You should have seen the excitement and immediately crushed when I realized that I did not record the unboxing. But we're doing it again anyways. I'm pretty sure you've seen plenty of unboxing, so you're gonna see a re-unboxing of this. So let's go ahead and open this up, and voila, look at that bad boy. Look at this. Let's go ahead and put this. So my first initial impression was how small it is, and it has some nice hefty weight to it. Not bad, feels very premium, feels very solid in hand. So let's go ahead and put that aside. One of the key things that I did mention was that it states that do not remove the pre-installed screen protector as it can cause damage. And it says do not apply any third-party screen protector. I was a little bit disappointed because I do have third-party screen protectors to install on my Pixel Fold. So I want to clarify with Google if that's going to void my warranty if I peel that one off and then install a new one. But I don't want to damage the phone as well. So I did mention that. Let's go ahead and put that aside. And then you had your mumbo jumbo warranty information, your SIM ejection tool, and then it kind of clarifies there where the SIM ejection tray is, along with your charging port, your volume rocker, and your fingerprint embedded into the power button itself. Boom, go put that aside. I did show you guys the Type-C to Type-C charging cable and the adapter, and I did go on a little rant because I was pretty disappointed that they did not include a charging brick for a device at this caliber at the price range of $1,800. At least they could have included a charging brick. The OnePlus Nord N30 gives you a 60-watt charging brick, and that's a $300 device. This is the $1,800 device. Or if they were not going to include a charging brick, this at least give you a Pixel wireless charging stand. That would have been absolutely fantastic. But I am pretty disappointed that they include no charger brick, or they didn't even give you a free Pixel wireless charging stand. But without further ado, let's get right into the device, because that's what I'm here for, and that's what takes away all this pain from my heart from not including a charger brick or a wireless charger for free. But we had the device here itself, and let me tell you right off the back, it's not big. It is not big when it's folded. It's a nice, very premium size. So what we were doing here is unravel this plastic, which like I said, I opened it previously and realized that I had nothing recorded, but we're doing it again. We'll do it live. We'll do it again. And let's take a look at this bad boy by officially unfolding the Pixel Fold, and bam. Look at this bad boy. You know what? It's a nice size, feels good in hand. I can see what the people say about the bezels, but I think once you start using it, the bezels are gonna disappear. I can see the pre-installed screen protector currently installed. The hinges here on the top and bottom of the display. Let's flip this around and take a look at this bad boy. Bam, look at this. I already got fingerprints right here on this chrome part, but the black, the matted black, feels nice. It's nice to the touch, soft, feels absolutely fantastic. Very nice premium device, that I can tell you that for sure. It is a very nice premium device. Now, does it open completely flat? It seems like mine does. You can see that looks pretty flat to me, don't you think? I think it does. Looks good. Let's look at the bottom angle. Boom. Anyways, we have the charging port here, the mic, speaker, mic, SIM ejection tool. On the top, you have a speaker, mic, and I think this is your SIM ejection tool. No, what is this? This might be your 5G band. On the side of the device is where you have your volume rocker and your fingerprint sensor. Now the fingerprint slash power button, it is texture different from the volume rocker. It is like a matted texture, which I kind of like. And this is going to be your fingerprint reader as well. Let's fold this bad boy back. Boom. And you got that beautiful front display here. Now the front display does not come with a pre-installed screen protector, so you can install a screen protector here on this front one. Just they're saying do not remove the one in the inside and do not install a third-party charging screen protector for the inside. I'm gonna double check and make sure that you can't remove it, and it probably, if you do, if it will void your warranty, because I don't want to void my warranty, because this is a very expensive device, and the last thing I want is for the display to go bonkers and them not warranty my device because I removed the screen protector. On the back you do have your cameras. Now these cameras are not as good as the Pixel 7 Pros, but they are decent enough. They're just as good as the Pixel 7a, and I don't think you're going to be able to tell the difference, but we'll be the judge of that. You do got that SmackDown G logo right there, and there's this mumbo jumbo government shit that needs to be right here at the bottom of the device. Let me give you something for comparison. So now this is my iPhone 13, my iPhone 12, and the iPhone 12 is bigger than the Pixel Fold. Look at that. And it's just maybe slightly thinner, but not by much. So look at that. That is the iPhone 12, the regular iPhone 12. This is not even the Pro. Boom. Let's take a look at the OnePlus 11. Boom. Look at that. It dwarfs the Pixel Fold right there. Look at that. Yeah, dude, it's so freaking thin too. So thin. Obviously, this is the Pixel 7 Pro, and look how big this thing is. Look how massive it is compared to the little Pixel Fold, and look how thick this bad boy, dude. With the case, so this is the grip case from D brand, and this is a very nice, good protective case for it. And with this case is as thick as the Pixel Fold, if not thicker. Damn, this bad boy is so bad. As you can, I don't know if you can tell right there, the thickness of the device. But enough of me glorifying this device. Let me go ahead and power it back up and see what we got, and then I'm gonna set it up and give you my first initial impressions on this device. Right off the bat, I love the size. I absolutely love the size. Very pocketable device. You know what, it's not too heavy. I've been holding it for a while right now in my hand, and it does not feel too heavy. It is, you do feel like some heft to it, but it's like a nice premium heft. Like, you don't want this phone to feel light, because then it's gonna feel cheap. So then this nice weight that it has, it almost makes it feel, it validates the premium and the price and the quality of this device. But it absolutely looks fantastic. Let me go ahead and power this bad boy up, and bam, as you can see, Google right there. It's all G, baby. It's all G. I'll come back as soon as I set this bad boy up and give you my first initial impressions. All right, we're back from setting up the device, and right out the back, dude, I'm absolutely loving this. So I was watching a lot of reviews, and I can only see 4 icons row across, and I was like, man, I don't know if I'm really gonna like the 4 icons across on the front, the cover display. This is what they call the cover display right here. And as you can see, you do have the 5 icons across. This is set up just like my Pixel 7 Pro right here. As you can see, boom, all the way across. It mimics it exactly the same, which I absolutely love. And it's just like a smaller form factors. For those who wanted a Pixel Mini, well, this is your Pixel Mini right here. It's absolutely the most perfect size. You can see everything is nice and reachable, not too heavy, dude. Like I said, for those who are saying this is heavy, y'all need to hit the weight room and do some wrist weights. But this thing is feels nice in hand. It feels nice and comfortable to hold. Have not unfolded yet while it's been setting up. It's currently setting up, so it is a little warm to the touch here on the back, but let's go ahead and open it for the first time. And look at that beauty right there. Now, a lot of them say that the display here feels a little plasticky. I had the Z Fold. Is it V Fold? Z Fold? I think I had the 3, and it feels about the same. It is a little. It does stick a little to your finger, but not as much. You could definitely tell the difference between this and glass, but I don't think you're gonna notice it while you're using it in your day-to-day usage. Absolutely looks fantastic. And there is that new little swipe bar there. You can absolutely, boom, let's see. Oh, beautiful, got it. Look at that. So I have Gmail open. There's nothing in there you can see, and you can go ahead and obviously they knew I just set up my Pixel, and look, you get the preview here on the side. I absolutely love that. It's just like a tablet form basically is what is telling you, it's showing you. I love how they integrated it into the folder right here. Now I do got a D brand ticket. What is this D brand? D brand, hit me up, bro. I need a case. But let's go ahead and swipe out of there. Very fluid, nice and fluid. Looks pretty good. I love this. This is perfect size right here. Let's go ahead and see if we can open up YouTube. Bam, and then you have YouTube here. Now, for those who are used to tablet YouTube form, this is what you see. You can open up a second app. Let's go to Gmail. Oh, I did that wrong. So let's go ahead and open up a YouTube, grab it here, go to the side, and voila. Now it might skip and lag a little bit just because it's setting up. As you can see, it just updated, so it's updating all these apps right here. The pull down menu, look at this, boom. You do have 2 shades. You pull down, you have your quick toggles over here, and then you have your notification shade here on the right side. Then you fold it, you go back to the top. Now I did set up the fingerprint reader, and the fingerprint reader is not working. I don't know what it's doing, but how come I can't get in here? Do I even have it set up? Let's try that again. Oh, there we go. So I do have to go to settings real quick and change that because I want to power it on as soon as I touch it. So let's go down to settings, and then let's go to security. We're doing it live. Where is this? Security and privacy. As you can see, it's a little low and laggy. It's just because it's setting up. Nothing to worry about. There's probably an update too right here. Yep, there's going to be an update because it's on the April 5th update. Where am I? Boom, here we go. Fingerprint. And then fingerprint. Touch to unlock anytime. Boom, you see that? Right there. Boom, back out of there. Let's get out of here. Tap it off and boom, look at that. Turn it off. Boom, look at that. Turn it off. Ooh, hit the camera. Turn it off. Boom, look at that. Absolutely love it. I'm super excited about this. I don't want to bore you too much. I am going to let this go ahead and finish setting up and downloading all my apps. It is kind of warm to the touch then, but everything gets warm during the initial setup process. It's doing a lot, and I'm over here trying to play with it. So Super excited. My first initial impressions, love the size, love the front cover display, absolutely love it. It's like, for those who wanted a Pixel Mini, you have a Pixel Mini here, and then when you want a giant Pixel, you just unfold it and it becomes a giant Pixel. Absolutely love it. I'm super excited to dig into it. I want to compare photos. I want to compare it to my Pixel 7 Pro. My Pixel 7 Pro has been my daily driver ever since it came out. I am a Pixel fan, a super fan, and I absolutely love the Pixel experience. So if you have any questions regarding the Pixel Fold, please leave them down in the comment section below. I do have some concerns that I am going to test, like battery life and recording in 4K, because I know recording in 4K with the Pixel 7 Pro did create some issues. It did overheat, shut down. I want to see if we run into those same issues with the Pixel Fold here. But besides that, my initial impression, the fluidity of the device feels good. It feels nice and snappy. I love the size, the form factor of the device. Absolutely love it. I am going to review a bunch of cases for it. We're going to find the perfect case for the Google Pixel Fold. I do have the official case here, the Pixel Fold case. Look how tiny this little box is. So tiny. Look at this. So tiny. So cute. Look how tiny. Anyways, like I said, any questions you have regarding this Pixel Fold, are you on the cuffs on getting one? Are you going to wait it out and go ahead and get a nice carrier deal on it and get it like half off or something like that? Let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.